In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your Shopify store URL. To get started, log into your Shopify admin the same way you normally do. This is the backend area where you manage products, orders, and your store settings. Once you are inside the admin, you can find one version of your store URL right away, directly from your web browser. Next, look at the address bar at the top of your browser window. This is the field that shows the web address of the page you are currently on. When you are logged into Shopify, that address usually includes your store's internal Shopify domain. In the address bar, find the part of the web address that contains MyShopify.com. Your internal store URL is based on the text right before Valoricane. That text is your store's unique Shopify subdomain. This internal URL is often used for certain apps, integrations, or when you are setting up services that need your Shopify store identifier. Keep in mind that customers do not usually see this address if you are using a custom domain, but it is still an official URL connected to your store. Now, if you want to find the domain that customers actually type in or click on, you will look for your custom domain inside Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings. Settings is typically located toward the lower left area of the admin menu. Click Settings, then select Domains. This section is where Shopify lists any domains connected to your store, including the one that is currently set as the main address. Once you are on the Domains page, look for the Primary Domain section. The URL shown there is your main customer-facing store URL. This is the address Shopify considers the default for your storefront, and it is the one you will usually share in marketing, social media, and customer messages. If you ever connect multiple domains, the primary domain label is the easiest way to confirm which one is active, and that is all there is to it.